Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to reprocess your points in a new coordinate system within Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. So what I've done is I've got this project that I've shot in UTM Zone 11, and it actually needs to be in UTM Zone 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the project data here, because I'm going to show you what my points look like before the processing and after the processing. And within project data here, what I'm going to select is my points option. And what I'm going to do within the points menu here is I'm going to filter my points to only see the observed points. And the reason I'm going to do that is the observed points are the only ones that can be reprocessed. Any calculated, imported, anything like that, any of those points will not be reprocessed, only points that have a latitude and longitude associated with them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my source as observed, hit OK here, and then apply. And you're going to see I now only have points with my little GPS icon, and if I scroll through them, you can see that they all have point and coordinate information associated with them. Now I'm going to back out of this menu here, go back to my main menu, and open up my projects menu. Now, to change my coordinate system, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the little info button under the name and date of my project. That's going to open up the information of my project, the project details, and you can see here my coordinate system I currently have set to UTM 83-11. And like I said, I actually want UTM 83-10. And once I have that coordinate system selected here, I'm going to hit Open Project again, and that's actually going to have reprocessed my points into the new coordinate system. So if I go back into my points menu here in Project Data, what you're going to see is, again, I'll filter my points to only see the observed points. And with the magic of some post-video editing, I'll show you the original points versus the new points, and you can see here the points have clearly been reprocessed into this new coordinate system. And that is everything for today's video. That is how you reprocess your data within FieldGenius for Android into a new coordinate system. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen on today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call. Please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.